Gold imports during April registered a staggering growth of 138%, inflating the trade deficit to $17.8 billion and threatening to further widen the current account deficit. Gold imports stood at $7.5 billion during April as compared to $3.1 billion during the corresponding period a year ago, despite several attempts by the government to curb it. The Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council Chairman C. Rangarajan has said that containing gold imports has become utmost important. He added that taming inflation and enhancing returns on financial products is the best way to curb gold demand. Alarmed over huge gold imports in financial year 2011-12, which has been $62 billion, the government in the last financial year raised the basic custom duties on gold twice, from 2% to 4% and then further to 6%, expecting the imports to decline. The PMEAC had expected it to come down to $44 billion in financial year 2012-13. As a result of duty hikes, gold imports declined by 33% in the first half. But the trends were reversed in the second half when it increased 24% in the third quarter and by 11% in the fourth quarter. As a result, import of yellow metal was just 8% less than the financial year 2011-12 level. Also, retail customers went on a buying spree to stock the yellow metal after it saw biggest crash in over 30 years in recent weeks. India remains the largest importer of gold with 830 ton in financial year 2012-13. Meanwhile, worried over the widening CAD or current account deficit, the Reserve Bank of India this week imposed restrictions on import of gold by banks to moderate the demand for the metal for domestic use. The CAD touched a record high of 6.7% in October to December quarter in financial year 2012-13 on back of rising oil and gold imports. However, some of the experts see recent rise in gold imports as a bunch-up rise in pent-up consumption demand, which should fade up over coming quarters. Also, post-marriage season, there could be a weakening in domestic demand, causing a fall in the prices of gold, which added up with the fall in oil, which will help narrow the current account deficit. Business Desk, DD News.